Hi students. Hi students. Today we are going to see the comparing of festivals. Comparing festivals. Comparing our festivals. Students, in the last section what you saw, there's Ben is Ben's father was going out of station. So, but which festival he want to celebrate with his father? Which picture is this? This is the picture of a Christmas tree. Okay, students. So today in this section, what we are going to see, we are comparing the festival. So students, every festival we are celebrating with our family members and all. So Christmas, why it is different? Why the Christmas is called it is a different, because on that day, on the Christmas, the birth of Jesus Christ is there. Huh? The birth of Jesus Christ means he was born on that, born on that day. So it is called the Christmas. So every festivals are different from each other, like Diwali, Dashera, Ganpati. These festivals are different from each other. So in this festival, like our the peoples also are different, means a different language they speak, different wear clothes they wear, and different things they do. They cook their different things and all. So in the last section also we have seen that different people speak different languages, different clothes they wear, different all cooking is there. Yes, the spending time is different. So when we are when we are celebrating the festival, means our in our village, what we are doing, we are celebrating the festival of Diwali, Dashera and all. So in Dashera, the it is the now in this area, Dashera is celebrated as a big festival. Yes, on that day what we do, we burn the what his name is, uh, Ravan. What we do, we burn on the last day in the Dashera. Yes, because all the means what all bad things are there, we burn that in that Ravan. Means on that day what we are doing, we are celebrating the new, means in whatever things we have done bad or do something else. So what we are doing, we are burning all the things in that Ravans, means that Ravans that burn. So after that what we are doing, after that we are what we are comparing, what we are promising, that all the bad things I have given in that Ravan. Now from this I will do the good things to other. We will help to the other peoples, and every good thing I will do in my life. And whatever bad things are there, that is gone from my life. And that I will not, means remember also that thing what I have done, and what I have, or somebody have done me, I will all means I will not remember all that things, and from this my life will be very good, and my life I will do it very properly. So all these things what we are doing in this festivals, means we are wearing clothes, we are greeting our members, means family members, we are coming all together, and what we are doing, we are celebrating our festivals. So in this Christmas, what Ben's want, he have built a Christmas tree, and on that day the birth of Jesus is there. So these all festivals are different for each other. What we are comparing this all, because we are all coming, we are all family members are coming together, and we are celebrating these festivals. means all family members are in different country or different villages. So what we are doing, when the festival is there of Diwali, Dashera and all, what we are doing, we are all coming together and we will celebrate this festival very nicely. So you understand how the festivals are, means what we are doing in that festival, we are all coming together and we are celebrating the festival very nicely, and we enjoy all our uh, means time with our family members. So these are what the we are comparing from each other festivals, means in Diwali what we are doing, in Dashera what we are doing. So this is the comparing of the festivals, means other peoples are celebrating different type, we are celebrating different type, means means every village or every country is celebrating the festivals with different types. Okay, means Gujarati members are there, they are celebrating different, they are celebrating the little differently. We are Maharashtrian, so we are also celebrating little differently. So these what we are doing, we are comparing with each other that festivals. So students, what we have seen in this we have seen in this section, we are comparing the festivals with each other. Some are for some festivals are little small, and some festivals are very big, means a huge means what they are doing in a huge time, uh, they are spending that all things. Yes, like Diwali and all. Okay, Dasra is of 10 days, Diwali is of 5 days, like Padwa and all that, all things are coming in that Diwali. So means it is compare, means little small, and some are big festivals which are celebrated at 10 days, which are celebrated at 5 days. So these all festivals we are comparing with each other. Okay students, now you can understand these all festivals. Okay, now you should write the short note on these festivals. Okay, means what festivals we are celebrating in our country. Okay, thank you students.